in my class doing my test, But he said, what's your basic need? I put Wi-Fi and internet. If I get this wrong, I'm sorry. So later.
That generation of woman come like them jump on them head when them did born. Me no know something just wrong with them brain when them a look man. Them nah give Bob the builder a chance. When you know say Bob can build them a house, I'm not even a fan of them mother house again. Reese we cut trees get knocked to it up cause them no want Reese. When them mother yard bush up, Reese can come chop it down, but them nah give Reese a chance. You know who else get what he don't get? Law abiding John. Poor little John, we try something with him life. We work a legal job. That not enough for them. Them want a man will come like him and walk with fridge and dime. If you have on 3 underpants and 3 shorts to keep him cool. Plus him dey on phone every day. Him can't pronounce 2 words and the same as scammer. Okay, ma'am. From where parts did you lodge the money, ma'am? You have won the $1 million, haven't I? Yo, man them, to the last day of our work. Nice working with you guys, the road done. Finally.
The next day.
So we want a length of PVC, yeah. So man, we want 3 more length of them there, but we want all the jackhammer to me general. You hear what I say? Yeah man, we dig out here, so man.
What's the first thing you think about when you wake up?
How want them picnic go eat for them dinner?
Egg, mommy, egg!
Downstairs and ask my mom something real quick. So can you guys just do me a favor and watch Rufus for a sec?
You watch him, film.
Please.
Watch him, film.
Hey.
Do your thing.
You're the best.
Respect. No long man, they are hungry. Watch me, get that. Fry me, go fry you. Brown stew curry, anything I like. Yeah, never go near me, hear that. But man, they are hungry.
Them sitting here me and talk about man.
Mario, if you ever gone again, all the time was set. Margaret sent me a picture upon this. I want to see it. How me see it. Just tell me which button for press, man.
Look like the WhatsApp gone again, Favorite one update.
See, Margaret said she called me and said she see me. How she see me? How that? She say I sitting like a media call.
Oh, me not see nothing on the screen. If you ever shut off. I shut off.
Turn up your volume on this car. Them a hear me and me not hear them. Me no know.
More you delete them message because if you ever the SMS them full up. Me see it a make like a vroom vroom sound. Me no know what that a do.
Favor, Margaret this a call me, Alright, put your ears. Put your ears. Yes or no? Slide to unlock. When for slide it go? I done me done. Done, me say me done. My finger touch the house button with the and somebody say, hello, this is Siri. I say, what kind of alien sitting this your father send conky man, yo? And the next thing, the phone I say me not for disturb it. Me say don't disturb, me no know. Yeah, church sister Margaret. Save her on my WhatsApp now, save her. The brightness turn up too much, me swear say phone go DC. Me think, say you set the time, this is not army time, it's a security time. I want you show me how to borrow credit. I start if you press after the number sign. If you ever turn on the brightness too much, you forgot to, me can't have this. What is a S? Battery low. So what this miss me for press? So what this is sitting here say about Apple Music? What this?
Jamaica school punishments be like.
No talking over there. Chat too much, man. What have you all on that ear? You want to go there with him? Stop you laughing. In other news, CXC has been postponed. Bombard! Let me copy dogs them. Yo, dog. Yo. The CXC postponed and thing. Yeah, dog. PUBG? Say PUBG, bro. PUBG. Yeah, PUBG. Yeah, man. PUBG. We are running.
Yes, morning, sir. More one girl. You can't give one girl.
Oh, you want a girl? Alright, this
Yeah, man.
way for me, please. Yeah, man, have a seat right there. So, what kind of girl you want now? Slim thick or fat?
Slim tick.
Alright, slim thick. Black, brown,
Copper color. Yeah, man, browning. Alright, well, I have to check if any slim thick browning run. Give me a minute. Yeah, Joshua, no brown slim thick left.
No, so I run out of stock, boss.
Okay, alright. Alright, them say the slim thick done, so you want a dark skin. Alright, give me dark skin. Dark skin, yeah. A dark skin one guy, but the big sim, you know. Alright, just take a ticket and just wait for your new card. Yo, we are there, my youth. Yo, we are there, my youth. You know, some of them are going to take it easy and things. They are going to easy box and going to leave you some things, you me? You know, some guys stone over there. Eh? And guess what I say? Oh, my ex. Yo, me see you with that ex, but that shit. She go on the boss way, like, she should have seen me dog. I know, she should see me dog, yo.